Yesterday we have discussed about reported speech, the problem, the issues what you all were having. Lots of problem you all were having regarding that. That ma'am, there is still confusion that all the rules and regulations, what all are the things. But yes, we have done. We did it in class 9. We did it in class 10. Again, I did. So I don't want any more complaints that ma'am, still it is left. Today also I am asking, if there is something like you are not understood, then I will repeat it once again. If so, or else we will move with the exercises part. We are going to solve exercise. Are you all ready for that?
Ma'am, please repeat in short.
I knew this, Sunny dear. Okay, I knew. Chalo. We will do it. We will recap it once again. Ayush Lunia. There are two students, two names of Ayush Lunia. Why? Good morning, Samyak. All are going to join the school, right? On 8th of Feb. Yes. I just want to see the thumbs beside your names. Yes, good. Waiting for you all. Akshat, Astha, Ayush, Mehek, Arihan, Nandika. Nandika, you are there in the school only now. You will join the class. Rest, no one is doing that. So, we are going to start with the class with only 4 students. Fine, jokes apart, let's move with the regular classes. A very warm and a pleasant good morning in this winter, lovely winter. And we are preparing for our 23rd of Jan for the celebration of our sports event. We all are busy with that also, and it's really we all are enjoying. You all are missing all those things, but yes, you can see it virtually. And we are going to start with today's class, that is the practice session of reported speech. So am I clear? Now, Bhavi, but I just want to know whatever I have taught yesterday. Just recap it once. Let me see. How many, whatever you remember. Yes, whatever you remember, children. Who will answer? I have written to the students. Asked about it means as usual. Anyone else? Darshan Banadia, Akshat Manu, Ayush Lunia.
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I mean Aryan? Okay, Aryan. Please start. Whatever we have revised yesterday.
Ma'am, in direct speech.
Please.
Ma'am, in direct talk about to speak past tense.
Your
His voice is
voice is lagging better. Aryan, your voice is lagging better.
network issue might be.
Network issue. Your voice is lagging, Aryan.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, fine. Start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have discussed reported speech. Reported speech is indirect speech. We have discussed two speech, that is direct and indirect. Direct speech is something which is said, means which is stated by a person itself only to the another person. And when that particular means claim is presented by some another person, it is called indirect speech. Like He said that he will complete his work. This is indirect speech. And direct speech will be he said that I will complete my work. That is direct speech. And ma'am, we have discussed three parts of indirect speech, that is reported verb, reported clause, and reporting
Clause,
speech.
beta, clause. It's not close. It's clause. Reported clause.
Yes, ma'am. Reported clause, reporting verb, and
Verb.
reported speech.
Yes. So these all things we have
Ma'am,
revised. Yes, Moksha, you also gave the correct answer. I know I am getting correct answers through chat. Yes, I don't understand why don't you all speak out, right? You need to speak out, beta. Okay, the things will, you are going to overcome with all these hesitations. Once you start speaking now, you will come out with all the hesitations. You will not face such kind of hesitations ever. Fine. So now let me make it clear that what you have to do is, I'm going to share the screen now. We are going to revise it once and then we will start with the exercises. Fine. So let's start with our class of solving the exercises. Acha, tell me one thing. On Monday, right? What, which topic would you like to start with? Shall I start with the literature part, back to, or grammar only?
Grammar only.
Grammar only.
Grammar only.
Okay.
Grammar.
ग्रामर का जितना प्रैक्टिस
Grammar.
Yes, ma'am. Let's do the practice.
Any particular topic you want to go with, or I will go
Grammar.
with, general grammar only?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
subject
topic
verb
General
wise.
mind.
grammar.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
topic
subject
wise
verb
we'll
agreement.
do the exercises. Topic wise.
Okay, whatever is
हम पूरा मतलब एग्जांपल का प्रैक्टिस करवाइए
exam related, what all topics are coming, those topics I will take one by one to solve it out. Okay,
Yes.
clear? So fine.
Yes, ma'am, in new type of pattern. Ma'am, in new type of board pattern.
I know, beta. I know. With new pattern only, I will do that. Okay. Grammar never changes. The pattern
Yes, ma'am.
of presentation of the questions may change. Grammar never changes. The rules never change.
Yes, ma'am.
beta. Okay.
Ma'am, as because earlier done that there were error correction coming, but now only MCQ questions are there, na?
Huh? I got your point. But you should know, I will deal with the part which is coming for exams only. Fine. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Shall I start? You can just see the rules are given. I will just go through the rules once. I will go through the rules once. Okay. So that if you want to see, it's online already, it is available, but wait. Okay. So the words spoken by a person can be recorded in two ways, direct and indirect. When we quote the exact words spoken by a person, we call it as direct speech. Is it okay? Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. So what type of speech it is? It's a direct speech, right? Now, the exact words spoken by Sohan are put within inverted commas. We have discussed everything yesterday. I'm just repeating it at a glance. We are moving on so that it will be convenient for all of us to discuss. These are the things. Do you want to go through this, or already I have taught you yesterday? Reported clause, reported speech I have done. You want to go?
मैम इससे भी एक बार शॉर्ट रिकैप
Yes, ma'am.
शॉर्ट
Recap
रिकैप
bhi
करा
ho
दो
jayega.
Okay, fine. Once again, that means reporting clause and reporting speech. Now, let us recollect ourselves. Sohan told. You have noted the example. So this is the This is the example. Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. And here it is. Direct to indirect, it is already been converted. Sohan told to Mohan that he was going to school. Right? So just keep the sentence in mind. Then we will start with the reporting clause and speech. Sohan told Mohan that he was going to school. The words which generally come before the inverted commas, I mean to say before the inverted commas, when you are writing like that, Sohan before inverted commas, that is known as, are called the reporting clause. That is, Sohan said to Mohan. Said to Mohan. And the verb said is called the reporting verb. If you remember, yesterday I have told you all that said, told, tell, these words are known as reporting verb. They are known as reporting verb. And the sentence which is coming before the inverted commas, open and close inverted commas, that part of sentence is known as reporting clause. And what we are saying to from the first person to the listener, send it to the recipient, that sentence, that inverted comma sentence is actually known as reported speech, children. Clear? The words spoken by Sohan and put within the inverted commas are called as reported speech. That is, I am going to school. Is it clear now? Is it clear, children? If you say yes, then I will move up with the rules. Start with the rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very short manner. In a very short manner, if I say, if this is the sentence, Sohan said to Mohan, this whole sentence will become the reported clause. I am going to school. This is the reported speech because this has been said in, this is put in the open and close inverted commas. And in the reported clause, the word said is actually the reported what? Reported
Reported verb.
verb.
Reported
Verb.
verb.
आई बात समझ? Is it clear now? चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest of the students are sleeping or what? Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. If you want to take a screenshot, you can if you feel like. In the direct speech, no inverted comma. In the indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. The conjunctions that, if, whether are generally used for the reporting verb. You can please note it down at some place or take the screenshot because these rules are really important, children. Wherever you go, because this type of questions are going to come for your competitive exams, for your general English, for your all the banking exams, wherever you go, wherever you will see English is there in the competitive exams, you have to go through all this reported speech part. This is a very, very important rule. These are very, very important rules. Please note it down in your copies. The conjunctions that, if, whether are generally used after the reporting verb. Clear? The first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. Please, children, this is the blunder what you all are doing. Many of the students they don't take care of the capital letters. Still now, even if you are in class 10, but no. The first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. Please note it down. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. The reporting verb changes according to sense. सेंस बोल सकते हैं, जिस तरीके से हम प्रेजेंट करेंगे, प्रेजेंटेशन, राइट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस, हाउ टू डू इट, दैट इट में बी टोल्ड, आस्क्ड, इंक्वायर्ड. इन 3 वर्ड्स को हम सेट से चेंज कर सकते हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. We can transform them into told, asked, inquired. But we will never change the tense. Okay, reported verb का tense change नहीं होगा. Clear? Now we will move with the rules for change of pronouns. You know this, it's very easy. Want to take the screenshot? You can. The first person pronouns I, me, my, us, our. I repeat, I, me, my, we, us, our. In the reported speech, change according to the subject of the reporting verb. How can we say it as? Any one of you can tell me how? What I am saying, the first person, I, me, my, we, us, our, these are the first person. In the reported speech, change according to the subject of the verb. ये तभी बदलेंगे as per the subject of the verb. क्या बोलना चाह रहा है? The pronouns of the second person, you, your, yourself, in the reported speech, change according to the object of the reported verb. Change according to the object of the reporting verb. First person subject के हिसाब से change होगा. Second person will change according to the object. Clear? Very simple. Just it's the vice versa. First person will depend on the subject of the reporting verb. Second person of the same sentence will depend on the object of the reporting verb. Clear? The pronouns of the third person do not change. बहुत easy है remember करने. It is very easy, children. How? First person will change according to the subject. Second person will change according to the object. Third person will never change. Do not change at all. But I am again saying these rules are.
Ma'am, can you give
important.
example?
We will do it now, na? We will do it now. Just what I am saying.
No, ma'am.
How in the sense?
How first person will change? How second person will change according to verb?
See. He said, I like the book. Okay. He said that he liked the book. What is the rule? The first person pronouns in the reported speech change according to the subject. ये subject के हिसाब से change होता है. Yeah.
मैम तो past tense क्यों आया?
मैम
Tense क्यों नहीं change होगा? Yep. Here it is written the change. You all are getting confused with the rules of pronouns and the rules of direct to indirect. Yes, Aryan, you were saying something.
मैम रिपोर्टेड वर्ब और रिपोर्टेड क्लॉज एक ही होता है.
बच्चा, reported verb, school आओ, I will explain you once again. Reported verb is the part of reported clause. Verb means any kind of work which is done. If you remember transitive and intransitive. Okay. So when we are talking about said, told, tell, so these type of words in the clause are known as reported verb, beta. Okay. Reported clause में reported verb है. Clear, Aryan? Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? Once
Yes,
you
ma'am.
come to school, we will do this once
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
When you will come to school, na beta, we will do it once again. No problem. Clear? And I want the
Yes,
rules
ma'am.
from your side. On the same day, I am not going to give you the rules. I will discuss. I will ask you all to explain, and we will then discuss nicely. Fine. So let us move into the exercise. We are getting late. This is not our class, no, this is an online class, so we don't have that much time to discuss. He said to me, do you like the book? He asked me. See, beta, if you see said here, it has been transformed into asked, right? It depends upon the sense of the sentence. थोड़ी देर पहले ही मैंने ये रूल बताया.
Ma'am, means present verb will change into past if there is
बेटा,
talking
Viram.
about second person.
Viram, please listen to me very carefully. That
Interrogative
reported,
sentence इसलिए
exactly, reported verb will not change its tense. आपने अभी rule पढ़ा है, but it will transform itself into these many words as per the sense of sentence. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes
ये तभी clear होगा when you will sit in front of me. Are you getting me? This is why, that is the reason we are calling you all. Okay, so these are the words. You can just, if you want to take the click or a screenshot, you can. This, that, there, here, there, today, that day. Again, I'm saying it will help you
मैम
out.
और ये said से told क्यों होते हैं
Told again. One more important thing. कहाँ से told होता है? Where it is?
मैम ऐसे होता है ना said
अच्छा,
to
अच्छा.
told change होता है
Depends upon the sense of the sentence. We cannot assure you, I cannot give a guarantee to you that it will change. It may not change also. It depends upon the sense of the sentence, beta. We have to understand these things. As much we are going to solve now, then only we will be able to understand that what is the exact word, right? Chalo. If you want to take the screenshot, you can, or else I will move ahead. What shall I do?
Ma'am, not understood.
What you have not understood, beta?
Ma'am, rule number 3, that person will change first person, second person and all.
Viram, I will talk to you telephonically because I have to move now. You give me a call in the evening, I will explain.
Oh,
Because here I have to move ahead. Okay, Viram? Or else next day I will again do it.
okay, ma'am.
So see the words if you want to take the screenshot, or else I don't have any problem regarding this. Fine. So let's start with the exercises. Fine. Let's start with the change in tenses. These are the again rules. We did it for pronouns. Let's do one exercise, then we will come back to this. This you know it, but still I will explain you once again. Fine. We all are going to do all these things. Pronouns, tenses, we will do it. Just let us see. Direct sentence. Ramu said, I saw a lion in the forest. Ramu said, I saw a lion in the forest. Indirect, Ramu said that he had seen a lion in the forest. He had seen a lion in the forest. Okay. Satish said to me, I am very happy here. Satish said to me, I am very happy here. We are going to, here we are changing it as Arihant, I think so he asked. Satish told me that he was very happy there. Here ka there.
said से told जब होता है तब said to me ऐसा आता है.
Harshit, I'm not getting
Yes,
you.
मैम ऐसा ही
जब
क्या
ये
जैसे
said to me
टोल्ड
अगर
आएगा
आता है
मतलब
ना
वो
तो
इनडायरेक्ट
told में हो
स्पीच है.
जाता है.
हाँ, ये है अंदाजा. Good, good. You all got it. अच्छा, girls are not there in my class.
मैम टोल्ड रहेगा मतलब इनडायरेक्ट
Indirect है. Yes, yes. You're correct. Direct. He said, I can do this work. He said, I can do this work. Indirect. He said that he could do that work. यहाँ पे चेंज नहीं हुआ है. Only this का that. Can का could. Getting me? He said, I can do
Yes.
this work. He said that he could do that work. Please, I am again saying, rules को रटना बहुत जरूरी है. It is very, very important because this is going to help you in 10th, 11th, 12th, college, internal exams, competitive exams, wherever you go, this is going to be your asset forever. Again and again I am saying. That is why I will repeat the same chapter again once you are in the school in front of me. Direct, Renu said to me, I was washing the clothes. Now, let us see. Again, said ka told one, right? You can see what all I've changed. Was ka
Yes,
had.
जब भी said
That's
to me
all.
आता है तो told में हो जाता है.
Ah. Got it?
ये rule है.
Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes.
She said, I am well. She said that she was not well. Got it? So these are the few examples which we are dealing. Let's try to solve at least one exercise. 5 minutes are left. There are many better, many. I think so. It will take 1 or 2 days more time. Isn't it? What do you say?
Ma'am, it will
मैम
take
इसके
time.
लिंक मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास 10 में भेज दिया हूँ.
It will take time, beta. It will take time, minimum 2-3 days. This is very nice actually. These are solved
Ma'am,
examples.
the topic is very big, but
Very, very important, and I actually want that you should solve this so that this can help you out forever. Let's try, write it
Ma'am,
down in your
ma'am, it will
copy.
be more easier if we will come there.
Beta, hardly 5 minutes are left. I request you all to try to solve it. Try, just try. Write it in your copies. All the students, please note down this particular exercise in your copy. Take the screenshot and start solving this. Hardly 7 sentences are there. I'm not giving such a big task to you all. This is a very, very small task. You can do it. So hardly 5 minutes left. Please go ahead. I hope so you all are solving. I expect it from you. You all. Right? Start solving.
Ma'am, can you solve first one?
Yeah, you all have noted down, started solving.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, ma'am.
Try,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the captain exclaimed,
try.
"Bravo, किसमें change होता है?"
Ma'am, the
Bravo is
captain
an
said that,
exclamatory
well
sign,
done,
beta.
bravo, my boy.
Ma'am, the captain said us,
Ask
well
answer.
done.
Us क्यों?
बस कहाँ से आएगा बेटा?
Us क्यों आएगा?
Ma'am, you didn't tell us
Captain
about
said that,
exclaimed.
well done, bravo, my boy.
The captain told boys,
No,
bravo, well
not
played.
told, not told.
Exclaim नहीं होगा, exclamatory sentence.
The captain said, bravo, well done, my boy.
The
Yes,
captain cheered the
Correct,
players
correct.
to play.
Correct
The
answer.
captain cheered the boys for
The
playing
captain
well.
said the boys, well done.
See,
The
Sambhav.
captain cheered the boys for playing well.
Yes, Vardhaman.
The captain said
Ma'am,
that,
here
well done,
he
bravo,
is
boys,
my
exclaiming.
boy.
He is exclaiming. So cheered will come. The captain cheered the boys for playing well, or something like that. Cheered will come.
You are changing the word bravo. Right.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes.
The captain
Just a
said
second.
that, well done, bravo, my boy.
No, the captain exclaimed with
The
cheers,
captain said
"Well
that,
done, my
bravo,
boy."
well done,
The
my
captain
boy.
cheered that, well done, bravo, my boy.
Bravo is not a player's name. Ma'am, Bravo will get removed. Bravo
is
is
the player.
which Bravo is exclaiming his feelings.
Bravo can
Bravo is the
be.
name of
Listen,
player.
listen. Stop fighting. Are we sitting in the class? It's an online class, dear. You can
Okay.
change the word bravo, not an issue. If you don't even change it, that is also correct. I cannot say it is wrong. But if you change, if you transform the word, but that type of synonym we want it in place of bravo then. Okay, so on Monday also we will continue with the same thing because what I have observed that is lot many things to be discussed with this reported speech. But I wish that we should note it down, and I want these reported speech rules till date whatever I have taught in your copy. And I want the written work, children. I expect this exercise to be solved, and please forward it to me.
Ma'am, please answer the first one. It is confusing quite.
Time is over. Viram, I will continue. Time over. Continue in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.